Today's video, I'll show you how to turn on autocorrect in Outlook. This feature is essential if you send lots of emails. It catches typos and helps keep your messages professional. First, log into Outlook via Microsoft 365. Once you're signed in, we'll focus on enabling spell check through your web browser, since Outlook's web version relies on it. Open your browser settings. This is usually under the three dots or lines in the top right corner and go to Language. Here, look for spell check or check spelling and toggle it on. With spell check enabled, return to Outlook and start composing a new email. You'll notice that typos are now underlined, allowing you to correct them in real time. This works for common mistakes as well as misspelled words. And that's it. With autocorrect enabled, your Outlook emails will always look polished and professional.